Naka-record na to?
Okay, just enjoy the game. Ha? Game tayo. From Dragons versus Light Dragons. Tambol. Okay. Fight sila. Bola. Light Dragons. Rebound by number 14. 2 points for number 14. Talagang bola. Boss Ray, number 13. 13. Pass to number 17. To number 24. Fernandino. Hinihira pa rin eh. 2 points. All 2 points po ang ating score. 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass to number 14. Lipana for 3 points. Asus ba yun? Number 8 ka lang. No good. Rebound by number 4. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Score natin 5-4 in favor of number 4. Si Kenya. GK for 3 points. Ano na po, ang Light Dragons. 8-4. Rebound by number 4, pass to number 94. Number 4. Numerecho, pass to number 24. Wala pa rin, nakakuha ni GK. Isa natin. Pass to number 14, 2 points. 10-4. And remaining 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 17 for 3. Oh, good. Nakakuha ni number 4. Time remaining 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Napapagaling. Lipana. Got it. 2 points. 12-4. 12-4 ang ating score. In favor of Light Dragons. Number 13. Atake. Pass to number 4. Si Kenya. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. 17. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to 17. 2 points. 12-6 na ating score. Time remaining 6 minutes, 50 seconds. Lipana. Pass to number 14. Another 2 points. 14-6 na ating score. 14-6. Number 17. 17, dribbling the ball. 14 ulit, 14. Number 4. Pasok din. Another 2 points. Maganda ako makita mo. Number 17, dribbling the ball. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. No good. Rebound by number 8. Lipana, dribbling the ball. Lipana. Sa balet. Score natin 14-8. Time remaining 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 14-8. Tama ang Light Dragons. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Osray, pass to number 24. No good. Rebound by number 28. Pass to number 14. 14. Oops. 2 points. 16, 8. Yes, 14. Assist by 28. JC. Number 17, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Nakakuha ni GK yun. 14, Lipana. 2 points. 18, 8 sa pulang kalamangan. 4 minutes, 55 seconds. Number 24, Leonardino. Leonardino atake. Nabitawan. Nakakuha ni number 20. Score by number 20. Number 14. Good. Rebound by number 17. Rebound. Pass to number 4. Si Kenya. 15 to shoot. Anong call yun, Red? It's a foul. Committed by number 28. Number 8. Lipana. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 24. 24. Dribbling the ball. And a 3 points. 3 points, number 24. Score natin 18-11. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Lipana, dribbling the ball. Lipana, pasalaksak. Nakakuha ni number 4. Score by number 4. Si Kenya. Si Kenya, dire-diretso and a foul. Committed by number 8. Number 8, Lipana. 2 personal foul. Kailan? Fabric? Okay. Lipana out. Bonifacio in. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Number 17, to number 4. Number 4, atake. Pass to number 13. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Number 4, pass to number 13. Dalawa silang number 13. Reynaldo tayo. Reynaldo sa ano? Hindi, 13 na ito. Number 17, 3 points, no good. Bonifacio, number 6. Wala. Ay lang, pag wala. Red, pag pamili time out, dead ball. Pamili time out, dead ball. 24, number 24, no good. Tama. Pamili time out, tayo. Score 18-11 in favor of Light Brothers. Number 28, maglalabas ng bola. Bernardo. Pass to number 7. Pass to GK. GK for 2. No goal. And out of bounds. Same ball. Diba? 14 seconds ha. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 14. Gawas ang bola. Pass to Bonifacio. Bonifacio for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13. No good. And number 4 for the follow-up. Nice follow-up. Number 4. 2 minutes. Time remaining. Second one. Number 17, Baron. Number 17 for 2. Good. And nasave pa number 4, out of bounds. Score, 13. 18-13. Official score natin, 18-13. Yun na lang ang kailangan. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Gerson, number 7. Pass to GK. GK for 3, no good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24, rebound. Okay. And Dumerecho, it's a foul committed by number 28. Second na tayo. First personal foul. Third foul. 1 minute. Cut ko na. Time remaining. First cut. That's good. Second shot is good. 18-14. Time remaining 50 seconds for the first quarter. Oh, Panel. Tama daw. Panel, pass to number 7. Back to number 14. For Turin. No good. Nakuha number 13 for the rebound. 35 seconds. And an out of bounds. 28 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Okay. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. And 2 points. 5 seconds. And... Official score natin, 20. Bola ang... Kanin mo. Bola ng Light Dragons. Black Bull tayo. Okay? Okay. Ipana, dribbling the ball. Nakakuha yung number 4, Steve, number 4. Pass number 6. And 2 points by number 6. Simon. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bonifacio. No good. Rebound by number 6. Rebound by number 6 to number 4. 2 points. Assist number 6. Lipana, dribbling the ball. And no good. Rebound by number 24. Rebound 24. And mag-pick na. Dalawa na lang kalamangan. 15 to shoot. Number 4 to number 10. No good. Rebound by number 28. Lipana. No good. Rebound by. Hindi ko alam yung number. Anong number niyan? Take tayo dyan. Ginagawa na number yan ha. O, 0-0. 2 points. All na po tayo. All 20. Ang score natin. All 20. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Click. Ano ba ito? GK, no good. Rebound by number 0-0. 0-0. Dribbling the ball. Gatot sa papasahan. Number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Rebound ulit. And 50 seconds. Nakuha. Steal by Bonifacio. And up foul. Sino pong foul? Number 4. Foul by number 4. Si Kenya. First personal foul. Time remaining 8 minutes to the second quarter. Lipana, number 8, dribbling the ball. All 20 po tayo. All 20 First team foul. 14 to number 28. 15 to shoot. To number 14 for Turin. And 3 points. 23-20. 7 minutes and 3:30 seconds. Number 0-0, dribbling the ball. Ano pa papasahan? Pass number 4. Number 4. There's a foul. Committed number 28 once again. Second personal foul. Dalawa na. Time remaining 7 minutes and 5 seconds. First team foul. Second. 24. Bukas ang bola. Passing number 0-0. Kakuha niya number 8. Ipala to number 14. Easy 2 points. 25-20. 25-20. Lamang ang Light Dragons ng 5. Number 0-0. Dribbling the ball. Ilang. Saka hindi nakita. 4-3. No goal. Rebound by si Kenya. Rebound. Okay. Block na lang. Block by number 28 na. Uy, nakuha yung number 28 ulit. Casting. Number 14. Pilipala. 2 points, 27-20. Yes. Number 8. Nakuha ni Ginte, hita na ulit. Pass number 13, hita na rin. And number 14, ang easy, 2 points, 29-20. Saan na pong alamangan? 5 minutes and 50. Number 6. 6. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 0-0. At sumalaksak. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 6. Bonifacio. GK. Steal by number 6. Steal number 6. Number 10. Pass to number 4. 4. No good. Nakuha po. Nakuha ng Bonifacio. Bonifacio. Pass to number 8. So out of bounds. Committed by number 6. 5 minutes. 15 seconds. Remaining for the second quarter. 29-20 in favor of Light Dragons. Number 8, nalabas ang bola. Walang papasahan. Pass to number 37. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Walang papasahan. 15 to shoot. Pass to GK. GK for 3 points. Dito na. Assist by Lipana. 32-20. Ang score po natin. Number 0-0. 15 to shoot. Namama. 15 to shoot. And that's the call. It's a foul committed by number 37. Inobero. 37. GK. First shot is not good. Second team foul. First personal shot. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. Parang no good. Saved by number 4. Number 24. Gano'n pa basahan. Number 24. Pass to number 10. 10. Nasa ilalim. No good. Nakuha pa rin na number 10. Number 10. Nakuha na ng number 14. Malaksa. No good. Number 8. Number 1. 2 points. 34-20 ang score ng Maniligan. 4 minutes. Tayo. Number 6. Pinuputakte. Pass to number 24. It's a 2 points. And who's following? Number. That's my number. Followed by. 37-20. Ha? 2. 37-22.
Ay, sir. Hindi mo pa yung foul kanina.
6. Bonifacio. Number 10, sa ilalim. No good. Nakuha number 24. And ang foul. Nanaman. Number 6, Bonifacio. Sub, rep. Kaya. Rep. Wala. Mamaya. Penalty. Number 2. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. First shot. First shot is not good. 36-22. 36-22. Favor of Light.
Max out shooter.
For the second shot, it's not good. Rebound by number 4.
Baba.
Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 24. So malaksak. No good. Malaksak.
Bigay!
Igala. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Sa konti. And go. Rebound by number 0.
Pakasal na!
2 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 6. Sumalaksak. 2 points. 36-24 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Time remaining for the second period. Number 6. Simon. Number 14 for 3. Go good. Bye. Sayang. Number 24. Bola. And sumalaksak. Go good. Rebound by number 4. And shot. 2 points. 36-26. 3 minutes. 5 seconds. Bonifacio ng goal. natitira for the second
Hands up!
quarter. Number 4. And a foul committed by
Wala pang dead ball eh.
number
Dead
6
pa lang.
once again. Okay, Sabrek. Wala. Sabrek. Mamaya, wait lang. Pag ano, pagkatapos yan, pumasok. Okay, it's a good point. 27.
Box out shooter.
27. And for the second shot, get good. Sabrek. Okay, pasok ang pumasok. Labas ang lalabas. Official score 26-28 in favor of Light Dragons. Time remaining for the second quarter, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Tatlo ka na. Okay. LP. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Ipan. Pass to Bernard. Do and what's the color? Lang. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 36-28. It's a turnover for the Light Dragons. Number 00. Sumalaksa. And pass to number 10. Nakuha ni number 4. Rebound number 4. Pass to number 6 for Curie. Go good. Rebound number 00. And sa ilalim, number 10, it's a 2 points, 15 seconds. Time remaining for the second quarter, 36-30. Akin na lamang po ang kalamangan. Inavero, pass to number 14. And sumaksak pa rin. And 2 points. 38-30. Walang kalamangan. 34 seconds. And out of bounds. It's a turnover. 28 seconds remaining. 28 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Seconds, ha? 15 to shoot. 10. 28. Go good. Rebound by 24. 42. Another 2 points. Good pangalan.
White ball, white ball. White.
Let's go for the third quarter. It's a
Pumasok ko yan?
Pumasok.
It's a 2 points. 34-38 ang ating score. 38-34. Favor pa rin. Ipa na. And shot. 2 points. 40-34. In favor of Black Dragons. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Number 10, hindi, wala, natanggal yun. Wala. So good. Number 7 for the rebound. 7 for the rebound. Goal. 14. Pass to Libala. 14 to shoot. 15 to shoot wala. 37. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 10. 10 rebound number 10. 10. Dribbling the ball. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 10. Rebound na number 37. Rebound by GK. 30-34. GK. Ayan. It's Ilan. Tama. Aray pa rin nasa loob. And 2 points. Bernardo. Number 28. 42-34 ang score natin. Number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound by once again. Number 10. And a 2 points. 2 points. 36-42. Ipana. Dribbling na ball. Ipana. Diretso. and no good. Rebound, number 0-0. Rebound, number 0-0. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Time remaining for the third quarter. Number 0-0, muntik pang wala bola. And, sa turnaround, muntik pang turnover, number 10. And go, rebound by number 28. Nag-iisa, number 14. And a 2-point. Easy 2. 44-36. Favor of lesson. 14. Dito yung panel, ha? Number 10, dribbling the ball. Number 10. Sabrak sa that ball. Number 10! Oh, good. Number 14. To number 8, Lipala. No good. Nandun naman si number 14. Or time for another 2 points. 46-36. 10 kalamangan. 7 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 6, pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 10. 2 points to number 10. 38-46. Lipana. Lipana. Diniretso ba? Diniretso ba? And 2 points. 48-38. Sa 2 pa rin. Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Dead ball po sa number 10. Go good. Rebound by number 28. Bernardo. Bernardo pass to number 14. On time for another 2 points. 50-38 ang ating score. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 13 to number 0-0. Number 0, 2 points. Para mo. Number 0-0. 40-50. 10 points. Leading. 37. Dribbling the ball. Nakuha ng number 10. Number 10. Number 10 to number 17. 2 points. 42-50. Ang ating score. 6 minutes. Time remaining. Lipana. Easy lang lang. Lipana. Dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 3 points for number 27. No good. Nalibag yan ni. Nakuha ni number 28. Pero naagaw. Ay, number ni number 27. Yan, nakuha. 37. No good. Ay, nakuha. Block by number 2. Block by number 2. Number 6. 2 points. 44-50. Ang ating score. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
6 na lang.
6 na lang kalamangan. Number 8, Lipana. Dribbling ball. Lipana. Magana pa masahan to number 14. 15 to shoot. And tumira sa gitna. Rebound ang sarili. 10 to shoot. And 3 seconds. Muted by number 14. Okay. And Sabret. Pasok, number 4. Labas, number 10. Si Kenya. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. White ball tayo. Okay. Official score 50-44 in favor of Light Dragons. 6 na lang. Number 13. Goal. Number 4. And shot. Score. 4.
Number 4.
Si Kenya. Number 8, dribbling the ball, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 14. No-take na ako, nakuha ni number 4 yan. Number 4. Dribbling the ball, nakapasaan. Pasok na 0-0. 2 points! Tama ko rin, talog. Tama, White Dragons. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds. The third quarter. Official score 50-48 in favor of Light Dragons. 2 points lamang. Black ball. Masyado. Okay. Iba na. Labas ang bola. Pass to. Nakakuha pa rin number 14. Yung pick doon sa number 28. Number 14. And ang ating pa. Committed by number 00. 00. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. First team power. Ay, 3 points and 3 points. GK 53, 48 ang ating score. Tala. So, maganda siya. Kaya bilang. 3 minutes to the third quarter. Number 14. Waiting lang daw. Nako, nadali ni Takla. Skip for number 4. Number 17, foul. 2 points. 50-53 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 17, Baron. Rebound by number 14. Block by number 00, pero may foul. Number 00 ba? Foul. Okay, number 00 lang. Second, personal foul.
Ang hirap ng call sa kanila.
Number 14 for the first shot, and it's good. 14, ilan? 3 throw. 1. For the second shot. Second shot is no good. Nakuha yan. Rebound by 28. Pero nakuha ni number 00. Rebound 00. Score natin 54-50. Ang naman drop pass doon to number 6. Number 6 for 2 points. 52-54. Dalawa na lamang hanggang 6. Ni 00. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 14, no good. Rebound, number 13. Mahuli, number 8. Number 8, Lipana. Lipana, dumiretso, no good. Rebound, 0-0. Rebound by 0-0. Nakuha yung number 4 to number 17. Baron for another 2 points. All na po ating score. It's almost 54. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bonifacio. Bonifacio for three. Block yun. Block by number 1 minute. 11 seconds. Number 6 for 3. Sa 3 points. 57-54. Lamang na po ang Storm Dragons. Number 14. Number 14. Sumasalaksak. And that's that. Right? It's a foul pala. Foul committed by number 6. Hindi ako. Hindi ba? 44 seconds po tayo. Time remaining. For the third quarter. No good. Rebound. Number 0. 38 seconds. 0-0. 2 points. 59-54. Lamang 5. Ang Storm Dragons. 25 seconds. Tayo 15 to shoot. And to shoot. Okay. Rebound by 5 seconds. Number 4. 2 points. And it's done. That's the third quarter.
Last quarter.
Fourth quarter, Storm Dragons versus Light Dragons, 61-54 po ang ating score. And rebound. Nawin na. GK na. 57-61. Team to shoot. And number 24, no good. Rebound by Bonifacio. Okay. Number 14. Diretso. Science. Number 00. Number 00. No good. It's a 2 points. Ito pa man no good. And warning. So, warning tayo ha. Ito lang yung sabi? Light. Rebound by. Foul. Nakita nyo rin sa hawak lang.
Technical, panagreklamo.
Number 24. 63-57 po ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang 6. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. 37 for 3. Very good. Rebound by. Ay, hindi. Ilang. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Si Kenya, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 13. 2 points. Kaya na number 13. 65-57. Pampanel. Dumiretso pa rin. 2 points. Si number 14. 50. 9:65. Anin pa rin po ng wala 7 minutes and 45 seconds.
Clean save.
Ako yan. It's an offensive foul committed by number 00. It's a third personal, 13 foul. Second team foul. Third personal foul. Wala na po. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Number 28, labas ang ball. Number 7, nakakuha. 7, pass to number 14. Puerto Rico. It's a 3. 60. 65. Tatlo na lang palaman. 62, 65. And number 4. Number 28. Nakuha lang yung number 00. Number 24. Nasa lang daw. Sa right.
Third sub rep.
Sa right. Okay, nakuha ni number 6. Bonifacio. Okay, let's go tayo sa nakuha by number 13 to number 4. Oops! And please, second. Apat kasi sa labon. Ayan, okay. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. It's a technical number.
Technical tayo ah.
Number 00.
Papawis lang yun eh. First technical.
Oh, first technical. First and second, dahil tayo ah. First pa lang. Lahat yan din, pati ako ginanong kanina. Para 65-62. Huwag tayong mahilit. Laro lang. Time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Second. First technical nyo ha. Hindi kayo ganun. Ano lang. First lang. Second technical thrown out na. Wala eh. Ito magagawa pa ganyan. Ano? Possession? Proceed.
Tatlo na lang.
Number 28. Okay. Panabog din tayo. GK, another three. Go good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Number 24, pass to number 17. And a foul committed by once again. na to. Number 6, Bonifacio. Time remaining 5 minutes, 5 seconds. First team foul. Apat ka na. Oh. First shot, no good.
May medal ka na mamaya. Graduate ka.
For the second shot.
Sino?
5 minutes and 5
Number
seconds.
6?
Time remaining. And no good. Rebound by number 4.
Daming lang dito. Ito yung number 4.
And number 13. Number 10. Number 13. No good. Rebound by number 6 na. Okay. Number 8. Ipana. Ipana. Ranap ng bola. Ayaw ng pangasahan. And GK. For 3. No good. Nakakuha ka number 13. It's number 13. 4 minutes. 13 seconds. And sayang.
120.
Rebound under 28. Ipana. Ipana. For 2. Ano yun? Rep. Consent. Consent. Ready. Number 13. Don't go. Okay, okay. 14 na. Okay. 4 minutes, 17 seconds. Graduate na po ang number 6. 2 points by number 28. 64-65. Isa na lang kalaman ng Storm Dragons. 4 minutes. 15 to shoot. Number 4. 10 to shoot. Foul committed by number 14. Kailan ba? First na. First na to. Third na. Third na. Ay, number 17, Baron.
Bro, layo mo na.
Okay, go. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Aba ng bola. Ano pa papasahan? Pass to number 17. Baron. Baron for 3. Go. Out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Official score 65-64. Lamang pa rin ang Storm Dragons. Number 7, pass to number 8, Lipana. Lipana! No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. 3 minutes. Nakuha ni GK sa steal. Number 14. 2 points. 66-65. 3 minutes. Isa na lamang. Yung na ang White Dragons ng isa. Number 17. 17. Dumiretso. No good. Number 4 for the rebound.
Bakas ng Number 4? Mag-rebound?
15 seconds. Number 4, no good. Rebound by number 28. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh, nagsusulo. Lipana, number 8. So, 4 points. 68-65. Naman na tatlo. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Yan. Number 10. Nakuha number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 8. 2 points for number 8, 70. Meron time out? Sige, time out for now. 3 points for number 17, Longo. Rebound by number 28. So number 8. Let's go! Minute! And ang time out. Time out, Rick. Gano'n lang. And
Time out.
time out. Alright, kita. 37 seconds. Pwede ba yan?
Mainit.
Tama yung first shot.
It's good.
Shoot, kuya.
Pasok, pumasok. Pumasok.
Second shot is also good. 67-72. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Ipana. Ipana, nagana papasahan. Walang ganang oras. 15 to shoot. Pero nanalo. Tinasa over team. 10 to shoot. Number 14, no good. Narito nilang 7. And no good.
Post foul, rep.
5 ball tayo. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Okay. Continue. 72-16. Apat lang yan, guys. Apat lang yan. 59 seconds.
59.
15 to shoot. 3 points. 71-72. Salang kalamangan. 3 points yun. 3 points. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. And this one, right? 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 25. Wala ba? 16 seconds remaining. 16 seconds remaining.
Hindi ko tayo.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds.
4, 3.
And second of the ball game. 72-71. And so, a point.